Well, good morning. Actually, it's not morning, it's afternoon, but good morning sounds an awful lot better than saying afternoon. This field is really boggy. We've had a lot of rain this last couple of days and it's a bit of a swamp. But hopefully we're going to higher ground, so we'll maybe not drown. Well, I've had a wonderful time this last hour or so. I think I've walked about 7-8 miles. I've had this little camera with me. The reason for actually coming out was just to test this camera. I was given this camera to give it a test run, and I'm astounded at the quality that you're getting from the viewfinder. It's I've never seen anything crisper. I'm really looking forward to getting back and seeing how it really looks on a computer. Little camera, very light. It's a Panasonic HC VX870. It's about £750, and the cameras that I was working with in the mid-60s were £40,000. There were a TV camera, film cameras, 16mm, and they obviously didn't have anywhere near, not a patch of on this for quality. The way technology has changed over the last half century, it's just unbelievable. I'm really so excited at the thought of being able to have a camera that's so light and so small I can just put it in my pocket or walk for miles and not have the problem of lugging a big lump about with me. And it's good.